Okay, so here we are, right? So we just did Katie's Coffee Corner, right? So the next person that we received a payment from is going to be Super A Market. Okay, so let's take a look at Super A Market. They're paying for two invoices in one. Okay, so they want to pay for invoice number 103 and invoice number 107 using a check number 582. Okay. So let's go ahead and take a look at Super A's markets invoices here. So let me see. Here we are, Super A. So 103 and 107, basically, they're paying for the whole thing. Okay? So I'm going to go ahead and highlight all of this because they're making a payment for all of it. Now here, let's go ahead and see what is the difference between these two. So let's take a look. All right. First one is invoice number 103. Okay. Did they make the discount due date?
Yes.
Yes, they did because we delivered to them on June 21st. 10 days later is June 1st, July 1st. Okay? So in this case, they made the discount. And of course, we just recently um, delivered their other one for 107. So they definitely made that discount due date for July 7th. So in this case, we need to calculate two different um, discounts here. Okay. So let's start with the first one. We got 1%. Okay, so the first one for 103, the sales was a total of $498.80. So in this case, right, we gotta subtract that $30. So we have 468.80. So how much is going to be that discount?
489.
469. Okay.
I got 439.
439. Okay. So in this case, 498.80 minus 30 is 468. 1% of 468 should be 469. $4.69. Okay. And then our other batch, which is for the 107, right? Here we originally um invoiced let's see. We originally invoiced it for $920.35, which they made an advance payment for. Now, they made an advance payment. That doesn't mean they only get a discount off of whatever that they owe us. They get a discount off of the entire sales. So in this case, we got to figure out what 920 35 minus 30 is, which is $8.90, right? Because 1% of that is $8.90.
Um,
Go ahead.
don't they get? I'm confused on that one. Didn't they pay for 6018 on that? And are we gonna take the 1%? Well, no, we have to take the 1% at 920, right? Not the
Right,
460
because they're not getting a discount off of what they owe us. They're getting a discount off of the actual sales.
total purchase.
Exactly. So,
Now on the other one, let me because what I did, I'm just talking a lot. Just
okay.
correct me if I'm wrong. What I did is, um, equal round four on the previous example.
Uh-huh.
I did 498.80 minus 30 times 0.01 comma 2.
Okay.
Is that formula right or wrong?
In this case, you might get an error just because let's try that because there's too many things that you're trying to calculate. It might multiply the 1% first, and then,
Because I got 469.
yes, exactly. So let's see. Um, you said you took 498.80 minus 30 times the 0.1, comma
Yeah,
2.
comma 2.
Okay, I did not get that, but that's the thing about that is like I'm not quite sure because this one, let me see, 498.80 minus 30 times 0.01, comma 2. Yeah, I don't know how you got that, but for me, it gave me an error because it's multiplying the point 0.3,
Mm-hmm.
or sorry, the 0.01 times the 30, and then it's adding it or subtracting it out from my amount. So in this case, you do have to be careful. You might have to add an extra one for 489.80 minus 30, then this, then times it by 0.01, comma 2, and that will give you an error message there too. So in this case, it's going to be one of those things where you have to do your actual calculations first because this
Okay.
won't allow you to do that. Now in this case, we have two numbers that we're dealing with. So if you
Yeah.
want to, you could go ahead and do that on the side to help you figure that number out in this case. So then you can go ahead and do 498 minus the 30, which gives you 468. Then you can multiply by the 0.1%. Okay?
Okay, and what was the amount that you got for the 1% on the 468.80?
468.80, 468.80.
Because we're figuring out the 1% for that for invoice 103 right now, correct?
Mm-hmm. It should be $4.69.
Okay, thank you.
Mm-hmm. So here, the discount for the first one should have been $4.69, and then the second one should be $8.90. Okay. Now let's do that on the side so then we can kind of figure that out. So, what is what was it? 468.80 times 1% gives you $4.69. And then this one is 920.35 minus 30 times 0.1. Okay, let's do it again. So 920.35 minus 30 times 0.1 should give you $8.9035, which is $8.90. So in this case, there we have it. 4.69 plus $8.90 should give you a total of $13.59 discount. Okay. So then my total amount should be oh, I forgot I have a parentheses there. Okay. So 13.59. Okay, so this was $4.69 plus $8.90. Okay, and the total amount was for $958.97 minus the 13 should be $945.38, which gives you zero that Super A market owes you. So here they're just paying for one of the invoices and say, hey, why not just pay both of them at all in one go? Okay. It was getting close to the due date or the discount due date, so they just took advantage of it in today. All right. So there we have it. All right. So they get $13.59 discount. They paid us $945.38 in grand total for the 958.97. Okay. So let's go ahead and compute that into our journal here. Okay. Same thing here. We're going to do checking and sales discount. It is $6.29. Okay, so checking was 94538. $94538. The discount was $13.59. Okay, and the accounts receivable should be a total here of the 95897. Okay. Once again, this is going to be receive payment from Super A Market, invoice number 103 and 107. Okay. And check number, let's see what check number they sent us. They sent us check number 582. Okay. And then 1% discount. Okay. So what's next? Okay, we could do the deposit. So we'll deposit that money in, okay, for the $945. And I already forgot. $945.38. Okay. So let's go ahead and plug those values into our ledger. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and start with checking first. Okay. We're under checking. $6.29. Received payment, invoice number 103 and 107. Okay, with check number 582. All right, and we got it for $945.38. which then brings my account balance up to $8,320.29. Did everybody get this number?
Yes.
Perfect. Okay. Since we're already here on our assets, right, just only a couple tables down, go ahead and update your accounts receivable account. Okay, for the 29. Okay, we received payment for invoice number 103 and 107. Okay, check number 582. Okay. General Journal 20, and this time we're going to subtract 95897, right? 95897, okay? Which is going to bring my accounts receivable all the way down to $998.78.
Give me 1 second. You are on.
Accounts receivable?
So we have 556 so far, 263.43.
265.43. It's for the full amount.
And 878. Okay. And that is because we don't enter the discounted amount here because we need to take out the entire amount that we put in when we first recorded the transaction, correct?
Correct, right? Because this is what they originally owed me. They originally owed me for the full price. And if they did make the discount period, then we have to subtract out what they owe us. But then again, if they don't and they miss the discount period, then that's the amount that we should be receiving. It's the full amount. So in this case, this is what we originally recorded. So therefore, we cannot make changes or put the discount amount in there.
Good to remember, because I get into the flow and I just keep copying and copying the same amounts. And that's when things don't match.
Okay,
Thank
see.
you.
All right. Last but not least, we have our sales discount, which we are already here. All right, 29. I'm going to go ahead and write invoice number 103 and 107, okay, for that 1% discount. Okay. General Journal 20, and this time it was for $13.59, okay, which gives us a total of sales discount to be
$18.90.79.
that's wait 18. I did not get that.
Oh wait, let me look at your total here. 1887.20
plus 1350. Did I type that in wrong? 1359.
Oh, I made a typo when I did my adding. I did 1877, so it was off by $10.
Okay.
1979. Okay, thank you.
1979. Good. Good. And then, of course, last but not least, we need to finish up our subsidiary ledger. Okay. Because now, right, it's the 29th and we received a payment with a check number 582. Okay. And this is for invoice 103 and 107. Okay. So we completed that one. Okay. Here we have Albert submitting another sale here, up another potential sale. Okay. So how should we enter this in?
Commissions.
Mm-hmm.
In the subledger.
So we're going to go to subledger, commissions. Okay. And who are we delivering this to?
Great Restaurant.
Great Restaurant, for the total amount of
56403.
56.
Oh, 53. No, go back. I think it was 534.
Five
No,
six four oh
56403.
three. Yeah. 56403. Okay. 56403. Perfect. Okay. That's all we need to do, right? It's a non-posting transaction because it's just a potential sales order. Okay. Go back to my journal in my scenario. So now I finally have my end of the daily sales. Okay, so let's go ahead and journalize my daily sales here. So what should I do? So I'm going to copy this section here. Let me see if I have enough space. I don't think I have enough space, do I? Oh, okay. I think I might have enough space. Let's go back to this one. So we're going to do sales. I think I might have just exactly enough. Copy. Or maybe we might be short. Let's see what this results say. All right. Paste. And we have just exactly enough for this transaction on page general journal number 20. All right. There we go. June 29. Right. And let's record the sales. Okay. So sales for medium regular coffee.
That's for 97.50.
Okay. Supreme. I'm sorry, large medium coffee.
Large. 672.75.
Okay.
Medium Supreme 620.01. Large Supreme 802.70. Coffee mugs 55.92. and sales tax payable to 1853 for a total of $2,867.41.
Perfect. 2867.41. Okay. Is everyone okay to move on to the ledger or to the deposits? What do you want to do?
Yes.
I'm going to go ahead and do the deposits at first just so that we don't forget. So we're going to deposit $2,867.41 into the bank. Okay, so today is 6/29. So let's go ahead and make a payment there. Okay, so we're going to add all of our cash sales, right? As well as also add all the 3 checks that we just added in there. Okay? Giving us a grand total of $4,626.66. Okay? So that means we're going to go deposit all of those money into the bank as of June 29. So I'm going to go back to my general journal and I'm going to post to my general ledger accounts. So starting with the first one, which is assets under checking. All right, in-store sales. Okay. General journal 20 for a total of 2,867.41. So therefore, what should be my total ending balance?
I have 11,187.70.
Good. Moving on to the list of all of our revenues here. Starting with the first one, which is the medium coffee cups. So 629. How many cups did I sell?
$250. Yeah.
250 cups for a total of so what's my ending balance going to be in my medium regular coffee cups?
$47.74.01.
477401. Perfect. Large coffee, large regular coffee. We sold 225 of them. Six.
70 to 75.
Which gives me a grand total ending balance to be
59.37. 15.
59.37. Let me see, did I do a typo?
670 to 75. 2640.
672.75. 672.75.
I don't know where I'm off.
Okay, hold on. So what was your number before that?
Okay. 598, 5264, 40, 62. Okay, you have 62, I have 64 on.
Okay, what did you type in?
598.
Okay, so go before when we're above that.
Yeah, 597. I typed in 597. Should be 595.
Oh, yes.
595. Now we are on the same page. Thank you.
Okay, perfect. Right, $5,935.15. Good. Right. Then we have our medium supreme coffees here. We sold 249 cups. Okay. At a grand total of 620.01. Okay. Which gives me a grand total of
We got that number. 6058. 17 I got.
good 60.58.17. Okay. So let's plug in our large supreme coffee cups. which we sold a total of 230 cups. Okay, general journal 20 for a total of $802.70, which brings my ending balance to be $68.57.85. Excellent. Last, but I guess last on this list is going to be the ceramic coffee mugs. So we have to go back up a couple. Okay. There you go. Ceramic coffee mugs. $6.29. All right. Let's see how many we sold in the store. We sold a total of 8 coffee mugs in the store. All right. General Journal 20. And it was in total for $55.92. Giving us an ending balance of $16.39.14. Good, excellent. Okay. Last account that we have on the list is going to be my sales tax payable. Here we go. Sales tax payable. $6.29. General Journal 20 for a total of $2.18.53. Wait, whoa. 218. Whoa, no. 218.53. Okay. So what should my ending balance be in my sales tax payable? How much do I owe in grand total?
We owe 1855.12.
1855.12. Excellent. Okay. So let's go ahead and take a look here. We used 44 pounds of regular coffee, and for Supreme Coffee, we used 44 and a half pounds. So let's go ahead and update our inventory on hand. Okay. So we used 44 pounds of regular coffee, 44 and a half for Supreme Coffee. So inventory worksheet, regular coffee, $6.29. We used 44 pounds in the store. Okay. Now, at what cost per item is going to be my
Should be $1.66.533.
Okay, so what's my total cost of goods sold here?
I have 73.27.4.
Good. 27.4, round down. So you're going to be 27 even. 73.27. So in this case, we need to update our inventories, okay? Because we no longer have 159 pounds anymore. We only have 115 and a half. Same thing here. We no longer have 258.62 because we sold 73.27. So therefore, we should have a leftover remaining of 192.35, which then we recalculate our average cost per item, and it increased by a thousandth of a penny. Okay, so there we have that, right? We now have 115 pounds left, 115 and a half pounds, okay, at a total cost of 192.35. Okay. For Supreme Coffee, right? What was the total amount that we sold?
44.5.
44.5. So let's go ahead and check our inventory worksheet. Do we have enough? And yes, we do for the 79 and a half. Okay. So in this case, it's going to cost me $1.89 per pound. $1.89 a pound. Okay. Which then, can someone go ahead and read what the chat says?
She wasn't able to hit and then it stopped presenting totally. So she was having internet issues probably or computer issues. And that's why she had to send back in again.
Was that Inga? Or
Yes.
okay.
Yeah, it was Inga.
Okay. All right.
Yeah, that was me. When we came back from break, I wasn't able to hear a thing. And so I just logged out and I recorded it. So hopefully we can go. But it stopped presenting to me on my side and everything. But I'm back now. I can hear you.
Okay, perfect. So there we are, 44 and a half pounds at $1.89 is going to give me a total of 84 and 11 cents. Let me do that again. That doesn't look right. So equal round 44 times $1.89. It's going to give me a total of 84 and 11 cents. So yes. So here we go. 84.11 is what we're going to subtract out. Okay. So in this case, right, we have okay, so we have 79 and a half minus 44 and a half. That leaves us how much left?
35.
35 pounds left. And let's see. It gave us a total of
66.15.
Now, hold on. This one might actually be different because we started off with 150.20. Hold on, let me do that again. So 79 and a half is 150.25, right? And now we're down to 35. So in this case, right, if we take 150.25 and we subtracted out, what was the amount that we calculated? 84.11. We should actually get 66.14 instead because of that half penny that we were coming across. Should be 64.
Well, since this is not weighted average, this is FIFO, so don't we just take the 35 at $1.89?
That's what you're supposed to do, but because we have that half of a penny laying around, think about it. It was 150.25 and you subtracted 34.11. How do you get 66.15 from that? I'm doing like logistic math here.
So it's by subtracting the 84.11, that's doing it like weighted average, right?
In this case, in this calculation, yes. But that's because I have that half of a penny, and that's going to throw you guys off every single time. It's because we had half of a pound, which forced us to
Oh,
do a
gotcha.
half of a penny. So, and then that's the case, right? We end up rounding up for the cost of goods sold
Okay.
instead of rounding to down. So in this
Okay.
Can
case,
you
that's what's causing us to have that, to be very cautious of that extra penny, because you can't be rounding up on both ends.
can you give me the amounts again where you got the 66.14? Because yeah, I got 66.15 when it calculated.
Yeah, so in this case, this is what the original calculation is, right? But because the original was 79 and a half, right? That gave you 150.25 and a half. Now in this case, right, we had to split that penny because we end up giving that penny to the cost of goods sold. So that actually left us with 150.25, just regular, right? Now in this case, if we do actual physical math, right, we subtracted out 84.11. Okay. Now, if we take that 84.11, so 150.25 minus 84.11, that's going to give us 66.14, right? Where if we do it like this is telling me it is 66 and 15 cents. Let me see if I can pull it out. I don't think there's anything out there, but yes, in this case, it's telling us that, hey, it should be $66.15, but no, because we end up taking that penny and we dumped it into a cost of goods sold. So in this case, yeah, it's because of that half of a penny, it forced us to put a penny in a different place, right?
So in here we need to override the formula and then just put 66.14. So later on,
Yeah, so
whoever
you
just
know. Exactly. So in this case, okay, so I have to rework this and revise it. Okay. So in this case, right, we should have, it should be 66.14 because of that half of a penny that we transferred in. We basically transferred the whole entire penny into the cost of goods sold between those extra dates. So there you go, 66 and 14 cents should be what you should actually have instead of 66.15. Right? So there we have it. We had the cost of goods sold for 84.11. Remember, this is rounded up, okay, instead of rounded down, because of that half of a pound is what's going to get us right there. It should be 84. Let me see what it is regularly. Should be 84. Might be 84.10. Yeah, 84.10 and a half. You see that? It's 0.5. So this one rounded up. So then it made it look like it's 84 and 11 cents. When in reality, it's that's because we rounded up because of that half of a penny. Okay. All right, so let's plug our numbers in to the inventory, into our journal, and update our ledger so we can be done for the day. So let me see, for the cost of goods sold for the regular coffee was $73.27. Okay. And the Supreme coffee was $84.11. So let's go ahead and now that our journal is done, we can go ahead and plug those numbers into our ledger here. So first thing we have is the cost of goods sold. Here we used 44 pounds. For 73.27, which we got a grand total of 1236.15. Right, did everybody get that? 1236.15.
Yes.
Yes.
We got to update our Supreme coffee here because we ended up using 44.5 pounds. For a total of $84.11. So then our ending balance should be what?
13, 17, 36.
13, 17, and 36 cents. Okay. Hop into your assets and we're going to go into our inventory items, which is going to be regular coffee. Here we are, regular coffee. Right, we used 44 pounds for 73.27. So we should have a total amount left of 192.35. Let's see. Oops. Let's see. Did we get 132? Yes, we did. In our inventory worksheet, we got 192.35.
Okay, I'm super way off.
You are again?
Yeah. This is gonna be the death of me. I got 191.85. Can you go back to your assets, please?
Assets. Nope, wrong one. Here you go.
Okay, so you have hold on.
So you're off by what, 85 cents?
No, by 50 cents. I forgot to, oh, when we purchased, I put 177 instead of 177.50, and
That's
I
where the
might
difference
correct it
is?
somewhere else. Yeah. Okay. Thank you. I found my mistake.
Okay. All right. So let's go ahead and plug in our Supreme coffee because in this case, 629, we used 44.5 pounds. General Journal 20 for a total of $84.11, which should bring my account balance to 304.89. So let's go ahead and double check our inventory worksheet here under Supreme Coffee. we should have a total of 304.89. Okay, because of that one split penny right there, right, gave us our account balance of 304.89. And that is it for today. Right? Perfect. We leave today off on the 29th, so that means tomorrow we'll go ahead and dive right into the last date, which is the 30th. Okay? And then we should be able to dive right into our adjustments as well. Okay? Any questions? If not, you guys are free.